And Snowmobilers used one of the last weekends of the season to show off their vintage sleds.
They sure did, and the White Pine Lodge in Christmas hosted their 5th annual Vintage Snowmobile Show on Saturday. 50 to 60 sleds were on display, one of the oldest going back to 1962. Snowmobilers come to the show to buy, sell, and trade sleds and even snowmobile parts.
You know, it's surprising how good a shape some of these really old sleds are in. The guys really make them like showroom again, and to see that is, you know, the effort and energy they put into it.
The Snowmobilers use the snow that is left to take rides around town.